Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through a new sticker book from Amber Plans Her Day, Winter Collections Volume 3. This is currently available if you're interested in purchasing. I have my affiliate link and discount code down in the description. And then I'm going to do a flip through in this video, and I will also be doing a plan with me featuring this book. So let's do the flip through first so we can see all the really pretty winter stickers. All right, so first page we have a floral theme here. These are all clear stickers, these pretty blue colors. We have some corner pieces that you can put around boxes. Those are nice. Then we have the functional page with all the different size boxes, and then some quotes, and then little headers. So winter quotes: hello cold days, would you like to build a snowman, winter wonderland. Next theme. Oh, this one theme is so pretty. I think I might use this one because I love the little window scenes, the birds, the girls, the mountain scenes. Really pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Love, love, love all of that. And the watercolor vibe, really, really pretty. Clear as well. And then you get the matching boxes and functional stickers and quotes. The best is yet to come. Winter is the time for home. Okay, next theme, another blue floral theme. Nice big ones here. And then these pretty blue boxes to coordinate with them. Let it snow. I like the way this font looks. Winter wishes, snowflake kisses. All right, next we have this cute little snowman and all the winter things. The mountain scenes, little cabin, the trees. And then we have the coordinating boxes and the quotes. Okay, next one. Oh, I love these pine cones. So pretty. And then the boxes and more quotes. Everything is magical when it snows. Oh, good. Look how cute, cute, cute. The little animals and then the tree scenes. They're really, really pretty. The animals are super adorable. That's another good theme. Okay, then the boxes and then the quotes and headers. Okay, next, ooh, we have these really moody, pretty florals. Those are really nice. And then the coordinating boxes and quotes. And then we have some snowflakes, a page of snowflakes. Or two pages? 2 pages of snowflakes, clear snowflakes. Okay, that's a really nice, pretty book. So again, Winter Collections Volume 3. This is currently available now to purchase. Now what I'm going to do is a little plan with me. I actually have some, I really like making little half sheet ones. Half sheet spreads, classic, what is it? Skinny classic spreads. And like I said, I want to do this one here. Actually, I'm gonna move my desk down a little bit. Okay, that's better. Okay, look how cute these are. All right, so we're gonna use these pages and then the boxes. These boxes are perfect for this layout, like this long box. I'm gonna use this one. I love this like blue-gray color. It's a really nice color. So I'll put a box here. And then we'll layer this box. No, this one. Do it here because then it gives me a place to put decorative stickers like here. Oh, I made it crooked. Okay, so we'll do that again. Straight. Okay, so yeah, I can put decorative stickers here and then decorative stickers here. Let's do another box over here. Let's do this brown one over here, and then I can do some bullet points. All right, and then I'm just gonna add in some decorative elements. Let's go with the decorative stickers. All right, we have lots of nice little options here. Let's do, okay, I definitely want to get a girl on the page. I also really like the scenes. I like this window scene. Put that up here. Okay, Okay, then we got this girl. Put her here, and then I can do some of the trees. Right here. Okay, that works. And then let's do, I want a little bird. I could do this little bird. It's kind of hanging out here. All right, and then let's do some more boxes. So I'll do a box here, and then a couple of bullet points. Oh, and then a quote, of course, a quote. Gotta use a quote. Let's see if I can fit a quote in here. Now, the good thing about this book is it's all winter themed, so I can go to any of the any of the quote pages and pull any of them. So that's nice because I really like some of the fonts, like specific fonts in here, font styles in here. This one's really cute, but I won't be able to fit that one. But I'm gonna just take a look, see which one would fit maybe here. That one's funny. Wake me up when winter is over. I'm sure, like, I know when my sister lived in Colorado, it was that kind of sentiment there. It was just snow all the time. But here, I love it. Love, love, love our version of winter here in California, which is not really winter. All right, so we're gonna do this one, which says everything is magical when it snows. I do agree with that. It is so pretty. Okay, so there's that there. I do have some washi. I'm just pulling washi that I literally had right next to me, so I'm just gonna put some washi down. Probably is not the best match, but I feel like I need a black to tie in the black of the font of the quotes. So that's why I'm going with this one, just to tie in more of the black in here. I think that works. Okay, we're gonna go with that. All right, so I feel like this side is pretty good and done. Let's move on to this side. All right, so this side, let's do, I kind of want to use one of these mountain scenes. Okay, first up is a box. So we'll take this box here. I usually like to put these here. I don't know why, but I just do. And then I will put a box here layered on top. Okay, let's see if I can fit the mountain scene somewhere. Or should I do the house scene? Maybe I'll do the houses. Okay, let me try the houses first. So we have this. I like this one because it's got like a little road and some houses. Doesn't really fit here though. No, it doesn't fit. Okay, I have to find a smaller scene. So unless I do like the snowman, I could do this girl. I could do the girl up here with the snowman. That'd be cute. Okay, so let's do that instead. I think that'll fit better there. Should I do this? We'll do the snowman up here, the girl here, and then do I have a tree? I have this tree. Okay, that's kind of the look I'm going with. And then maybe I can do the house scene down here. Okay, that works. And then I could do boxes. So a box, do a box here. So it's a little bit more functional down here. And then a couple boxes over here. box here. I'm gonna do bullet points here. Gotta leave space for a quote too. And of course the washi. Okay, let's see. I want a quote maybe here would be good. So I'm gonna try to find something that's similar to this with the text. There's this one, there is no winter without snow. That could fit. Let's see what else I have. Okay, I feel like this is the best one. Okay, I'm going to put in some washi in a couple places. Okay, I'll put one up here. Okay, that'll be good. All right, so back to the functional stickers here. Let's do some bullet points here. Actually, I think I'm gonna do bullet points here. And then let me do another decorative element here. Let's do this little birdhouse. Okay, that works. Oop, it's like stuck. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. A nice, cute winter theme spread. I love the colors. Really, really pretty. The illustrations are really nice too. And yeah, book has everything you need to make a nice, cohesive spread. All right, so that is going to be it. Again, if you are interested in purchasing the Winter Collections book, it is currently available now. Like I mentioned before, I have my affiliate link and discount code down in the description, so definitely check that out. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.